Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to put up wall frame only ways. Start by measuring the frame and marking studs or anchor points, then use a level to draw a straight guideline. Pre-drill holes if needed and install anchors rated for the frame weight. Thread screws, leave a small gap for hanging, and test fit the frame. Make minor adjustments until perfectly level and secure, and wipe away any pencil marks for a clean finish. Warm up by gathering your tools and mentally walking through each step so you avoid surprises. Find the studs with a stud finder or choose anchors for drywall if studs are out of position. Measure frame dimensions and transfer center markings to the wall at eye height. Mark top and bottom guide points, then confirm level across the span. Pre-drill small pilot holes to minimize wall damage and make screw insertions smoother and straighter. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support more helpful how-to content. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that save time and stop spills, which pairs nicely with wall frame projects for studio kitchens or small apartments. They're great for carrying snacks while you work and keep your workspace tidy. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the frame edge on the installed anchors or screws and gently lower until it engages the hardware. Step back and check the level, then nudge the frame side to side to seat it evenly on both points. If the frame tilts, use thin shims behind one corner or apply felt pads to balance it while protecting paint. Recheck the level after adjustments and tighten fasteners slightly to lock the frame in place without crushing the wall material.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.